Hello and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel that brings you the best reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the GRAJTCIN Unisex Adult Shiny Costume Cape for Halloween, Mardi Gras, and St. Patrick's Day. This is the best gold cloak available in the market, so let's dive in and see what makes it special. The GRAJTCIN Unisex Adult Shiny Costume Cape is available in lengths of 45 inches, 49 inches, 57 inches, or 59 inches. This shiny cape features a holographic look and a soft touch, making it stand out in any crowd. It's perfect for pairing with a Mardi Gras, Christmas, or Halloween costume, giving you that regal and festive look. Whether you want to dress up as a king or queen, a shiny laser cloak, or just add some flair to your outfit, this cape is the perfect accessory. It's great for occasions like Christmas Day, masquerade parties, Mardi Gras, costume parties, disco parties, birthdays, and of course, Halloween. Made from polyester, this cape is easy to care for and should be hand-washed only. The shiny holographic design gives it a unique and eye-catching look that will make you stand out. The cape is lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it perfect for long hours of partying or trick-or-treating. The versatile nature of the cape makes it suitable for both men and women, so anyone can rock this stylish accessory. The GRAJTCIN Unisex Adult Shiny Costume Cape is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add some glitz and glam to their outfit for Halloween, Mardi Gras, or any other festive occasion. Its shiny holographic design and comfortable fit make it a standout accessory that will surely turn heads. Don't miss out on the chance to add this must-have item to your wardrobe this season. Check it out now on Amazon.com. Thank you for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video.